What we do here is go back.
So I know what you're thinking. You know, there's so many places to get a loan. Where do I get a loan from? How do I go about doing it, Tiffany? Help me. Well, I'll help you. You don't have to beg. It's okay. Stay tuned. To go through and get a loan. You know, it happens, guys. There's nothing to be ashamed about, because this loan is going to better yourself. You know, you're going to get yourself away from where you were and go to where you want to be. So invest in yourself. So I tried a few of them that were through my coding bootcamp and they failed me, but I will let you know what they are. So none of these are sponsored, anything like that. So I went to Climb, I went to Pave, and I went to Upstart. So I'll put the links below for all of those, so you can check those out. But I will recommend that if you are going to go through with a loan, make sure you checking on the website for your coding bootcamp first, because they may have options for you. They might be like, oh, well, we partnered with Climb and they're going to be able to help you through this process. So I would recommend you do that, because what they're going to give you through the Coding Bootcamp website is a reference link that references their Coding Bootcamp. Now, that also means they're probably getting paid in some way, form, or another. But it also means the application process is easier, and they also know what you're there for, because it's going to probably add that information in for them or into them, so they know kind of what you're going for. So I'd start there. And plus, they know people are going to be coming from these places asking. So if you have it, the link already in there and all the information they need from that link, or however they get the information extracted on the back end, then they'll be able to, you know, help you further that way. Now, I got rejected from all those. They didn't like me, whatever. And I actually got in contact with the admissions department with my coding bootcamp, and I said, hey guys, I can't go because I can't get funding, so peace out. Well, to my surprise, they told me another option that I hadn't tried yet, Earnest, and I will put them in the link below. Earnest was amazing. Okay, Earnest is a little bit different. The application process was a little bit different for them. They you know, they tell you, they ask you what you're using it for. You say coding bootcamp, that sort of thing. But they also had a section in there where they say, well, you know, what do you hope to accomplish with this money? Or what will this do for you? And I thought that was genius, because it's like a lot of people, they're like, I just need money, you know, but they're like, no, what do you need it for? And how's it going to better yourself? So I thought that was pretty cool to have in there. There's 2 to 3 sentences. It's not even an essay. So, I mean, I'd go for it. If any of the other 3 don't work out, I'd definitely go for it and just see what happens. Specifically for the Earnest loan, they're going to tell you that they're only going to pay for the cost of the boot camp. I don't know about the other choices I mentioned or any other credit services out there or loan services out there, but definitely Earnest is going to say, no, we're just paying for the balance of your coding bootcamp. So I had gotten a scholarship, and so I was able to have the scholarship and have, you know, the loan as well. So I would say, make sure that you understand that they're not giving you money to live off of. You have to go through a different loan application process for that, and that is a personal loan. So say that you get an Earnest loan, then you want to make sure that you understand that that loan is going to only be used for your education purposes. If you want to have money to live off of, let's say that you don't have savings, 401k, any of those things, and you're still going to need money to live off for the 3 months or so that the boot camp is for, then you'll need to apply for a separate loan for that, a personal loan for that money, to make sure that, you know, you're set. I didn't go through the personal loan process. I used savings and 401k for my expenses while I was going, so yeah, that's a little bit different. But yeah, that's what I did. I went through Earnest. It was a really cool experience. Everybody's pretty nice. These loan websites were amazing. I thought so. They're aesthetically pleasing to the eye. So, and they could be projects that you could mimic. So keep that in mind while you're going through things. If you have a bad experience with a loan company's website, hey, maybe you could be the one to change it. Who knows? Project